Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to apply for Revolut credit card. First, open your browser and go to revolut.com or download the Revolut app from the Play Store or App Store. Install and sign up or log into your account. Go to the cards section and check if credit cards are available in your country. If eligible, tap apply for credit card. Fill in your personal details, employment information, and agree to the credit check. Wait for approval. This may take a few minutes to a few days. Once approved, your physical card is mailed or you can use your virtual card instantly in app. And that's how you apply for a Revolut credit card. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.